Robotboy home. But I so love the tapas. Isn't that right, Thelonious?
Boss, it finally came!
Can't you see? I require assistance.
Come on! Be a good boy or you don't get your present!
Present? Give it to me at once. Is this one of those devices that allow me to record my favorite shows over the television?
No, it's a clapper zapper. When you clap, it fries out every electrical device in a 20-foot radius. We can use it!
To catch Robotboy! That's even better! To the Kamikazi!